Oilers and Hearts wants to help people that have survived natural disaster. In 2023, there was a big fire who destroyed a huge part of the island. People lost everything, their house, their lives, their family, and that touched me a lot.
When I came here, I told myself that I want to work for people in need.
So I decided to take part of the GIP because we bring the smile to people, we help local community, and I think that actions speak louder than words.
1, 2, 3, go Lahaina!
We live in community life, and at the beginning it was not really easy because it's really different from our daily lives. The typical day, we wake up at 6 o'clock. We take a breakfast together with other volunteers. At 7 o'clock, we clean up all the bays together. After, we leave to go on the site, and there is different sites that depend about the mission you will participate today. Currently, we are in Lahaina, in a new property to clean up.
We are here to remove all of the debris. People doesn't have funds to pay some companies. That's why we are here to help the community to rebuild their home.
The owner gave the instruction what we need to move and don't remove. It's really important for all the volunteers to respect the wishes of owners. There is a huge link between the local and the volunteers. On site, if you want to learn, you can learn. I never use the stump grinder, the jackhammer or something like that.
We work really hard during the day, and when we come back, we are super happy.
At 3 p.m., we come back to the base and we have a meeting with all volunteer staff members.
We reflect all together to express our gratitude and the pleasure we take during the day.
After the meeting, we have volunteers who prepare the dinner and some of us for the cleanup.
And then we can do a game or some sport to create some relationships, because here we are 40 persons and we have 39 friends. Everybody has the smile at 6 a.m. or 10 p.m. because we choose to be here.
I think it's a great place to think about who you are and what you want to do after. For sure, I was not the same guy when I arrived here and now. These people lose everything in their life and they continue to have a smile in their life. I want to continue that.
Sometimes when we walk on the site, locals come to see us and just say thank you. I think it was this intense moment of sharing that reminded me of the deeper reason for my presence here.
I learned a lot of things here that we can't learn in an internship or in school. Because here I have the feeling that I'm super useful. We bring smile to people. We clean a lot of property. This makes me feel happy, and I'm super glad to be here and to take part of the GIP, to learn a lot of things about the life.